very good reason. The commission robot software is smart and is unlike anything you've ever seen, and enables anyone to finally break through to consistent free traffic and commissions online. So, how exactly does it work? Simply add a few pieces of information to the commission robot software, push a button, and boom! In as little as 3 minutes, unstoppable fire traffic starts rolling in. Commission Robot is newbie friendly and suitable for all ages. You don't need any special skills or experience to get traffic and sales flowing. It's super fast. It's super easy. And it just flat out works. The best part is, anyone can benefit from the free fire traffic that Commission Robot can get for you. This makes Commission Robot a must-have tool for anyone who wants to make sales online. You're only 3 simple steps away. Step 1. Grab your copy right now. Step 2. Activate the software. Step 3. Watch easy commissions roll in. It's as simple as that. Drive traffic on demand. Sit back and enjoy the laptop lifestyle. You can get free traffic and make sales consistently without any prior tech skills or experience. Stop buying software and training that just doesn't work like they claim.